Hello everyone, welcome back to Future Engineering Hub channel. 1 month before started, in this complete tutorial, I will provide training related drafting, modeling, and analysis. मैं Zishan Akhtar from India. So previous session, absolute coordinate system and some drawing completed. So today we'll start theory of relative rectangle coordinate system and some practical examples. So let us start the session in AutoCAD. How to start application? Double click to run AutoCAD application. Is it clear up to here? Okay, right. So let us start a new file. Here I am using Ctrl+N. Select file name ecadiso.dwt. Select open. For making a drawing of relative rectangle coordinate system, simply here type line, enter. Read the instruction carefully. So after read the instruction, your drawing create accurate and precise. So let's see theory. Slide number 107. Coordinate system to create a different geometries using coordinate system in AutoCAD. Use the origin 0, 0 as a reference point or every point is measured to origin. So what is relative rectangle coordinate system? In the relative rectangular method, coordinates are inter-referring to the distance to be moved in x and y direction and no need of mention angle is required in this process. The format of entering the coordinate in AutoCAD is @x, y, where x is a coordinate to be moved horizontally and y is the same to be moved vertically within the Cartesian graph. Moving the right hand side horizontally would be a positive x-axis while moving the left hand side horizontally would be a negative x-axis. According to Cartesian graph, moving vertically upward would be positive y value. On the other hand, moving vertically downward would be negative y value. So after complete example, next proceed to next session, relative polar coordinate system. Okay, so let's go back and open AutoCAD application. After minimize, go to AutoCAD application, line command enter. Here all function key turn off always. For coordinate drawing, there is no need to use function key. F12, F8, polar tracking, object snap tracking, object snap. It's all function of. Then execution is easy. Specify first point. So here there is not consider any origin point. Simple conclusions on relative rectangle coordinate system. Line start from somewhere location. First point here click for making a horizontal line. Right side. Next point at the rate 50 comma 0 or 5 comma 0 whatever. Then enter enter. This is for zoom out, zoom out. Yeah. I'll enter first point at the rate 0 comma 5. Zoom out. Yes. Line I'll enter first point here click. Here click at the rate 5 comma 0. Enter. Line first point here click at the rate minus 5 comma 0. Line here to here at the rate 0 comma minus 5. Zoom out. Right. The example. So next example, line I'll enter first point at the rate 10 comma 0 at the rate 0 comma 5 at the rate minus 10 comma 0 at the rate 0 comma minus 5. Enter. Line I'll enter first point at the rate 10 comma 0 at the rate 0 comma 10 at the rate minus 10 comma 0 at the rate 0 comma minus 10. Enter. Line I'll enter first point at the rate second point 10 comma 5 at the rate 0 comma 2 at the rate minus 3 comma 0 at the rate 0 comma 1 at the rate 3 comma 0 at the rate 0 comma 2 at the rate minus 10 comma 5. C for close. Line I'll enter first point at the rate 50 comma 0 at the rate 50 comma 50 at the rate 50 comma minus 50 at the rate 50 comma 0 Okay, turn on function F3, object snap, yeah, escape, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, yes. Calendar, first point click here, F3 is off, at the rate 0 comma 50, at the rate minus 50 comma 50, at the rate 50 comma 50, 0 comma 50, minus 50 comma 0, minus 50 comma minus 50, at the rate minus 50 comma 50, at the rate minus 50 comma 0, at the rate 0 comma minus 50, at the rate 50 comma minus 50, minus 50 comma 50, at the rate minus 50 comma minus 50, 0 comma minus 50, enter. Zoom out. These types of example. Create under relative rectangle coordinate system. Line L enter first point at the rate 50 comma 0, at the rate 0 comma minus 5, ten, the rate 50 comma 15, at the rate minus 50 comma 15, 0 comma minus 5, at the rate minus 50 comma 0, 0 comma minus 50 comma 0, C for close. So this is making a symbol, arrow, or you can use F3 on distance di first point and second point. Okay, C enter or at the rate 0 comma minus 20. So this types of example easily create the AutoCAD. So today's session is completed.